Hello guys, good morning. We're going now.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Good morning mga footballers. But footballers?
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, don't pay no. Trailer for sailoring. Sailoring, ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man a man by no man. King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but don't pay trailer for sailoring. Rooms to let trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man a man by no man. King of the road, king of the road. King of the road, trailer for.
Hello guys. Why? Nandun na mga lane. Saan na to? Where are we going na? Ano ba lang? Yeah, the actual field. I think we can just park here, I think.
You've arrived at your destination.
You'll arrive at your destination, I think. I'll just park here. Okay. Ayan na sila guys, ayan na sila. Training na sila guys.
I'm so lonely.
It's okay. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Aray ko. Okay naman to. Putik. So putik and there. Galing! Okay yun anak, okay yun. Likod yung ano, pinanggamit mo.
Tawa-tawa rin siya sa ginawa niya.
Ha? Masakit ulo ko, kaya di nagaten. Sorry, give that to Arik.
So dumi.
Joke.
Picture. You okay? Oh, your shoe, your puwet ba is dumi? Baka nag-upo ka sa
I
upuan.
never go.
Are you sure? Dumi ng ano. Oh, let's eat na the McDonald's. We eat the McDonald's students. They're done. So, we're going home. And, nag-aantay na sila mami sa atin, okay? Let's eat na.
Ciao.
Hi. Oh, wow naman. Oh, wait lang. Yung AirPods ko pala, ano? Wow! Sanay ah. Wow! Is it okay? Wow! Walang tulugan, ha? Wow! Yeah. It's okay lang. Ah? You like it? No. Yes. They're cold. Oh. Wait lang, they'll put you ano. Yes, parang correct. After ng shampoo. Wow. Oh, don't touch it.
It's so fun.
So soft, I know. Later pa yun, later pa. Tamang-tama, pretty ka na pagkatapos. Pagpunta ng party, pretty ka na. Straighten your, huwag ka magyuko.
Party ba siya, ma'am?
Oo.
Ngayon?
Oo, Lea, mga alas 3.
Wala pala.
Ano? Oh yes, ganda ng bangs ah. Nako, ginanyan mo yan, Miss Migs. Baka everyday na yan, di pa punta ng school. Mami, you ayos my bangs. Dapat like this. Oh, ipapaganyan niya yan. Every school, you like it? Ulo.
Papaayos na ng bang sa
Wow naman. Wow. Oh, wow. Ay, ang ganda. Wow.
ganito kaliit naman, ganito na. Lalo siguro ko nagdalaga.
Ay, kaya nga. Ay, pati damit niya, hindi naman ako nag-ano eh. Siya naman na eh. Pati namimili, hindi na. Oh. Wow naman. Oh. Oh. Lucy, thank you. Oh, galing. Ay, nako guys. Ayan na nga. Pauwi na kami after a long long day. Siya long day. After siguro mga 3 hours na nasa mall. 3 hours pa tayo or more less than 3 hours. Kasi ang traffic talaga guys. Oh my gosh. Yung party nagsimula na guys. Yung party nagsimula na yung party guys. Start na. Start na yung party.
That's why we don't have to get. That's why we don't have to get. Dapat we didn't go anywhere. Why naman? Okay.
Nako, tapos ayun na nga, ito pa. Diba? Buti na lang pinawanway nila. Sige, dyan ka, bus. Para talagang ano.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't tell you. Trailer for sailoring. Sailoring, ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me.
Oh, di ba nag-swimming na siya? Oh, did you say happy birthday kay Kaden? Happy birthday, Kaden! Your goggles? Okay, I'll get your goggles. Ayan, guys. Ano? Oh my chicks. Chicks naman, chicks. Oh my God. Ang daming ulam.
Kainin niyo lahat.
Oh my gosh. Ay, ito na yung pambata. Ito yung pamatanda na pagkain yung bata. Oh, diba? Oh my gosh!
Mommy, I did it back. Let's eat.
Let's eat na daw!
Pizza, pepperoni.
Asa na si Kaden? Ayun na. Oh, wait lang.
No.
Hindi ka natatakot? Oh, be careful.
Mommy, please hide us the one in the wagon.
Yeah, you can't, you can't reach? You float? Sige nga. Oh. Oh, sige na, you swim daw, be? Go to kuya, Kuya, ano mo siya? Mag-swim siya sa'yo. No, like that lang. Oh, sige, there. 1, 2, 3, go. Good job! Ano yan, kuya? Ay! Ay, si Diona. No. So, pagkatapos mag-swimming, bagsak. Ulog.
Pinag-train na kayo sa mukha mo.
Yes, samantalang si Kuya Bihis magagawa ng assignment na. Mabait. Okay, good night, guys. Good night!
Wala huli, pero di kulong.
Huli, pero di kulong. Ala.
Bye-bye, chicken! Bye-bye,